Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to look at our finger numbers and also positioning our fingers on the keyboard in the C position. Because a lot of the songs that we play in the class here will be in your C position. So this is a very important video to make sure that you don't skip this portion. Because if you get in C position, everything else, it's like dominoes. It's going to fall right into place. So let's head on over to the keyboard and we're going to go on and get started. So today we're going to be looking at our finger numbers and also how to position your hand on the keyboard. So our thumbs are always number 1. It doesn't matter if it's your left hand or your right hand, your thumb is going to be number 1. So this would be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your pinky is number 5, your thumb is number 1. By looking at middle C, going to middle C, remember you have group of 2. Your C is going to be the first white note left of the group of 2. So in the middle of the piano, we have middle C. We're going to line up each finger on the next note. In other words, 1 will be your C, 2 is the next white note, 3 is your E, the next white note, 4 is your F, the next white note, and 5. And this is what we call C position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in our left hand, it's the same thing. 1 will go on your C. So technically, we're going to share the C in our C position. So we have 1, which is your C, 2, which is going to be your B, 3, which is your A, 4, which is your G, 5 is going to be your F. Each finger will take a note by itself. C, 2B, 3A, G4, 5 is your F. And this is your C position. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if you don't have a piano or a keyboard at home, still go through the motions. You can practice just fingering on a keyboard chart. And then our left hand, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, taking a look at To the Zoo, as you can see, you have numbers here. That's your C, that's your D. When the stems point up, that's going to be in your right hand. So on To the Zoo, I'm going to start off right here. I see 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. All right. So this is how it's going to sound. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And also notice that we have a line note and a space note. The little line is going through your C, that's in the middle. And you move up 1 note, that's going to be your D. Now let's look at page number 2. It's going to be in our left hand this time. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, you're going to line that up right here on your middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know it's in our left hand because we have the bass clef symbol that looks like this. It's the cute little backwards C with 2 dots. Or you can look at the stems. And you notice that the stems point down. That's the line that's coming from the circle part of the note. That's what we call a stem, and it's going down. And we have 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So watch this. Notice how I am in my C position with the thumb on the C. All right, so we're going to line up. So I'm going to play the bear. Here we are. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So that's how you find C position and how you position your fingers on the piano in order to start playing the songs here in your packet. So keep practicing. If you have any questions, shoot me a message on CTLS or just ask me whenever you see me, and I will be happy to break it down to you. And I will see you in the next class.